Welcome to Port Orchard. My foot slipped. I'm on my way to a couple shoots. I have one shoot with a C7, I think there's ZR1s, right? The C7 ZR1 is black, red wheels, pretty nice. I like it a lot. And then after that, I get to shoot one of my dream cars, a Huracan Performante. And for anyone who doesn't know, my goal is by the age of 25 to have a Performante or like a Huracan Evo, which is basically like a new Performante. Anyways, yeah, it's one of my dream cars. I'm trying to get it by 25. And I get to shoot one today. Maybe he'll let me drive it. He's pretty cool. He's 21. He has that. He has a G-Wagon and another Huracan and some other stuff. Yeah, so I'm shooting that as well today too. So Tyler works at UPS. He went to a friend's birthday party last night, got home late, and then had to wake up at 3 a.m., go to work, get home. So I'm picking up my friend Austin, who's also like one of my best friends ever. He would literally do anything for me. He's also an amazing person. So he's gonna help me out today with driving and vlogging. Whoa, yeah, that was 65 and a couple hundred feet. It's a little sunnier than I would want to, shooting a black Corvette. Corvettes, they usually show a lot of reflections as it is, and then you give me a black Corvette in broad daylight. There's gonna be so many reflections. This guy has a freaking helmet while driving. Dude, why does he have a helmet on? What's the helmet? Okay, bye. Well, that was weird. Welcome to Port Orchard. Before I pick up Austin and have someone else in the car, I just want to say that like I'm really glad that me and Tyler are doing this whole vlogging system where we vlog and he edits and we just push these out, because we've been having so much fun. Like, we've only made 2 together and we've been having so much fun doing it. I started vlogging because a lot of people requested me to vlog, because I'm usually around cool shit, so it's like vlogging it would be cool, but like it's gotten to the point where now I'm just doing it because this is fun. It's weird vlogging in public. That's why I'm doing this without Austin in the car yet. Like, it's weird vlogging around other people still, but like in general, I am having so much fun with all of this. On the last vlog, some dude commented, he's like, I love your videos, blah, 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 but you guys seem so childish. You guys seem like kids. And I'm like, well, we're best friends that live together, and we're 20 and I just turned 22. We're gonna be stupid. I'm now parked waiting for Austin to show up now. This channel will still be primarily focused on my cinematics. I'll post them every Friday, or try to post them every Friday. Sometimes I can't edit as much as I would like to, like when I go to my trips to like SoCal or the Bay Area or something like that, you know, I just can't edit as much. I think I'm gonna make Mondays like where I post vlogs or the shorts. Okay, you guys are probably bored of me talking, but I just wanna get some ground stuff situated on how I plan on running all this stuff and how me and Tyler plan on doing everything. Hello. Hello.
Right on time.
Here you go.
Thanks, brother.
Woo! First time on a vlog.
It is.
Welcome.
I'm nervous.
Wow. Hi, buddy. Hi. You go up there and like kind of turn around and come back towards me, and I'll tell you exactly where to point. That way a little bit. Okay, straight. Yeah, that's good right there.
I don't know how this man doesn't have bigger arms from holding this thing all day. It's like 25 pounds. You got it, big man? Right there. Thank you. Uh-oh.
Thank you.
Oh no.
Yeah, so I'll haul ass in front of this Beamer. He'll catch up behind us.
Here's a matte black i8.
Oh dang, yeah, I like that. You're just so proper, aren't you? Oh. Cops! Nope. They have no idea.
I get a vlog and drive. There's nothing better. Oh my lord.
That hurt. He bit me. I want to make sure it goes in a spot where there's not much wind noise, like right here. This is what I do for the videos.
Opening up my own doggy daycare business
Yeah.
out of the back of the woyshnis.media.
I don't know, I don't want to be like that cop and accidentally step on the side skirt.
I'll take this one. Let me put this.
Yo. Cops.
Oh.
But we're at Chick-fil-A.
Oh, there's a GTR too.
Sure. Damn. Very nice. I need one, dude. Every time I see one, I'm just like, I need. Yes.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What? Oh, much lower than a minivan. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye. Oh, I'm in my treat car. This is so sick. My foot slipped. I'm gonna go sniping. Get some quick scopes. Just. The last one was a semi-automatic. That wasn't the intervention. Got my handy dandy tripod. Follow me. I'm gonna put them right here and shoot through these posts. Right there. See what we can do with this. And if I need to move it, I'll move it. This? Yeah! With some editing. Yeah. Dude. Is this dark satin metallic gray? The exact color that's on my car. Really? Yeah. Cool. I'll trade you, I'll make a video of the Performante if you give me the Performante.
No, not really.
Okay, give me a different Performante. We have this stupid reflection. That's not ghetto at all. That was our last location. Now, the fun part. Doing rollers. God damn it. It's hard with one hand. Boom, now I can open it from the inside. Are you gonna close it? Alright, fine.
I clicked the button at the same time. Be out this bitch.
So we did the rollers, but there was so much traffic. It's high traffic time right now, and it just didn't really work out. I got a couple photos, which I'll put up on the screen. not as amazing as this. And I just can't explain to you guys why I'm so in love with these Performantes, but I just am. I don't know. I just need one, dude. So bad. This is amazing. Okay, bye. Yeah, you have a good day too, man. Bye.